Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bakhtawar and I hope you're all doing great. If you haven't subscribed me yet, do subscribe me. So today we're going to make white sauce curly pasta in my style. So I'm going to share all the ingredients first so that you know what things you need before cooking it. And just by the way, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm using my hands to add the spices here because, additional love for my sister because she was waiting for me to get her bowl of curly pasta.
I begin to